أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين. Dear students, this is Dr. Zulfa. Today we want to talk about one of the speaking activities which needs your speaking skills. You have to be skilled in speaking in order to manage discussions. Okay, first of all, we have to define discussion. Discussion is a discussion, oral discussion, which is speaking, is a matter of giving and taking opinions, a matter of interaction. Two partners, either individuals or groups, discuss a topic or talk about something in order to find a solution or to solve a problem or to resolve a question. Someone speaks, the others listen, then the speaker stops speaking and listens to the others, and so on till they come to a solution of a certain problem or an answer to a certain question. Let's see the definition here in this slide of discussion. Discussion is defined as talking or writing about something, especially in order to solve a problem or resolve a question. The definition here says it is talking or writing, but we are focusing on talking discussion. So, more information about discussion. We can say discussion is a matter of interaction. In a discussion, you should aim to interact and respond to what other people say. Talk and let others speak. Talk and let others speak. And also, others speak and you listen. Okay, listening is as important as speaking. It's not only speaking. Discussion is not only a matter of speaking, also listening to others in order to respond to their opinions or to answer their questions is also a necessary skill. What are the advantages of discussion? Discussion has a lot of advantages. It improves your ability to engage in meaningful talks. It improves your self-confidence. It improves your understanding of certain subjects or exploring ideas and exchanging information. It expands your knowledge in a certain topic and improve your ability to think critically. Okay. Strategies for improving discussion skills. Here are some strategies for improving discussion skills. If you find it difficult to speak or ask questions, try the following strategies. Now we have to learn how to be good speakers in discussion. Strategy 1, observe what others do. Observation is an opportunity that helps you to learn discussion. So observe what others do, especially efficient people. Strategy 1, which is observation. What should you do to observe? Attend as many seminars as possible. Attend as many seminars as possible and notice what other students do. Ask yourself, how do other students enter into the discussion? You see, look at the introduction, at the beginning of the discussion, what they do when they listen to others or respond to what others say. How do they ask questions? How do they disagree with or support a topic? I mean, agree or disagree with a topic, and the way, how to say it. Do you say, no, I don't agree? No, this is not the best way. Now, there are expressions and means to express your agreement or disagreement in a nice, polite way. How do other students make critical comments? Not to say anything. Critical comments, it means critical comments comes after deep thinking. What special phrases do they use to show politeness, even when they are voicing disagreement? Even when if you don't accept the opinions of others, you have to be polite. How to say, I don't accept. You say it there are many expressions and many phrases or many sentences that show your politeness in your disagreement. How do they signal to ask questions or make points? You should not, when you talk to others, you should not throw your questions, okay? You should not attack using your questions. You have to be polite, okay? So there are ways how to say that. Strategy 2, learn to listen. So this, because discussion is listening and speaking, so you have to learn to listen. Effective listeners don't just hear what is being said, they think about it and actively process it. They listen and think of what they are listening in order to respond or to give answers or to give comments. Be an active listener and don't let your attention drift. You have to concentrate with the speaker. Okay, you are a listener, active listener, concentrate and try to analyze every word a speaker says. Stay attentive and focus, attentive from attention, okay, focus on what is said. Test your understanding. Test your understanding of what others say, of what other speakers say. Mentally paraphrase what other speakers say. Think about it mentally in your mind. Ask yourself questions as you listen. This is what we mean by active listener. Active listener listens carefully to the speaker and thinks about what the speaker says and asks himself or herself questions about what is being said. Take notes during the class or when you in a discussion about things to which you could respond. Take notes because notes are very important. Notes help you to focus. and not to forget. Okay. Make notes. No, not before that. Okay. Now, preparation for discussion. How to prepare for discussion. When there's a topic you want to discuss with someone, you have to prepare ideas. As we always say, prepare yourself before you write, collect information. Before you start a discussion with someone, go to information sources like internet, books, magazines, journals, and collect information. Okay, you cannot do this or lead any discussion or write any essay or research without reading, without collecting information from sources, from different resources. Find sources related to your topic. Okay, for example, surf internet. Read related articles in books, newspapers, and magazines. Watch TV and YouTube. All of these are sources of information. So you can collect information from different sources before you start your discussion. Make notes. Make notes. When you collect information, you have to make notes of what you are collecting. Okay, here there is an example, for example of making notes or collecting information. Here is an example about the advantages of internet. The topic, advantages of internet. The notes. Now you say information, knowledge, and learning. So just notes, just words or phrases related to the advantages of internet. Information, you can get information and knowledge and learn a lot of things, lot of skills, lot of activities. Connectivity, it connect you to other people. Communication, it's a means of communication. And sharing ideas, sharing information, sharing knowledge, address mapping, and contact information, also banking, bills, and shopping. So you see, just ideas related to the activities which is done by the help of internet. Okay. No one complete sentence. Notes is a matter of words, of phrases, but each word means something. When I say the word banking, for example, it means I think about all the processes which concerns people in banks. Okay. More notes also about internet. You can say selling and buying. Okay. You sell and buy on internet, isn't it? Making money. A lot of people work on freelancer and they collect money. Okay. Collaboration. Work from home. A lot of people work from home and so on. So you collect information and make notes, just one phrase or one word about something. Now, also in preparation, in the preparation phase before discussion, practice listening and responding to what. Now, there is something missing here. Okay, practice discussing the topic and materials outside the class. This is in a preparation phase. If your discussion will be run in the class, so before coming to class, practice discussing the topic you want to discuss with others. Start in an informal setting with another students or with a small group. Now, the formal discussion is run in the class, for example, or in a meeting, but informal, just when you prepare yourself for the discussion, even when you are at home with a brother or with your father or with your mother, you prepare yourself for discussion, okay? Discuss the matter with them, okay? This is one of the strategies which improves your ability to run discussion. Begin by asking questions of fellow students. Ask them about their opinions. How to begin your discussion? You start your discussion asking about opinions. Now, you can prepare when you prepare yourself, I say at home. You can prepare with your father, with your mother, with your brother. And this is what I'm doing with you now. Every activity you should do, I ask you to prepare it with a colleague. With one of, I say, prepare this. So you practice and you come to the lecture prepared. That's why most of you have improved, okay? Practice listening and speaking to what others say. What others say. Try out any discipline-specific vocabulary or concepts. When you want to discuss something, especially in a foreign language, you have to find the vocabulary needed for the discussion. If you are talking about oil, you have to collect words or to prepare words about oil. If you want to speak about corona, you have to collect information related to corona, and so on. Becoming accustomed to expressing your views outside the class will help you to develop skills in more formal environment of discussion. And whenever you practice outside the setting you want to discuss something in either in a meeting or in a class or whatever, when you want to discuss, or in a group with a group of colleagues, if you are prepared, you can discuss much better than if you are not, okay? That's why I repeat, you have to prepare yourself for the discussion you have to do next Saturday in our formal class, okay? Thank you. This is the end for this part of the discussion activity or the speaking activity, which is discussion. Thank you very much.